Soccer DBB number 449, and that is 2016 Topps Premier Gold 1 box break. Teams on the right. Good luck. Got one more box after this one. Oh, we got a frame card in this one. Another patch. Could get a patch auto in this. Alright, here we go. First, patch or autograph. This is an auto. And it's a red one, it looks like. Oh, we got a red base in front of it. We got a red base in front of it. Nice. 211. Let's see who it is. Good luck. Oh, how about Alexis Sanchez? 211. There you go. Alright, here we go. Jersey autograph. It's a white jersey, and that is Swansea, Gylfi Sigurdsson. 24 at 100. Swansea, and that's Ricky. Wow, this stack was only for Ricky. Alexis Sanchez. Go yourself. Alright. Next up, regular jersey, and that is John Terry for Chelsea and Ricky. Wow. Now I'm starting to worry. Alright, frame card then. Come on, give us a good frame card. We got Mane. We got a base. And frame card to 30 is going out to Lukaku. 30 out of 30. Wow. Everton is Ricky. Wow, Ricky killing this box. Sorry guys. We got Benteke for Palace. Benteke for Palace. Wow. Watford. We got Dusan Tadic for Southampton. We have Eric Bailly, and to 99 is Eric Bailly for Man United. We got the GOAT, Dennis Bergkamp. To 99, Stuani for Middlesbrough. Devore, we got Stoke Stadium. West Bromwich. And Aaron Lennon for Everton autograph. Sorry guys. Devore, you get that Aaron Lennon autograph for free. Alright. Feel bad. Alright, that's it for the break guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.